This is just going to be a very quick flash tip. Let's say you're in Google Earth Studio and you want to highlight the border of a country. Well, how are we going to do this? Well, the best way to do this is to use something called a KML file, which is essentially a file with saved route data that you can apply to various geomapping software. Now, somebody has very helpfully compiled this website of all of these different borders for various countries. So I'm going to come over here and you see you have every country in the world listed out here. So let's just do Canada as an example. I'm going to click open and then we're just going to download this KML file.
If you want to change the thickness of the border, you'll have to download a desktop application called Google Earth Pro. So we're going to open this here. We're going to go down to the KML route itself within these folders. I'm going to click on it and we're going to go Properties, Style and Color. We can change the thickness here, so let's turn that up to 8. And then we can also change the color if we want. And then once we've altered that, we're going to resave it, save place as, and we're going to save it down here.
There we go. I'm going to go back over into Google Earth, Overlays, Import KML, Upload from Computer. Going to go into our download section and upload that. And there we go. There is the border of a country. If you want to hire me for any mapping projects, then there's a link down in the description.